In today's video, I'll be showing you how to force quit unresponsive apps on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. So if you have an unresponsive app, now currently I don't have one, but in case you had one, let's say for instance Facebook is becoming unresponsive and is freezing, and you want to force quit that app, just swipe up to go home and then swipe to a third of the screen and then hold and release, and that's going to show you all the apps running in the background, including the one that's frozen. So to force quit an app, just swipe it up and that's going to close that app just like you would close any other application. Okay, and that is basically how to force quit unresponsive apps on your iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and even subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.